Visit us on onestepenglish.com.
Business English. Human Resources.
Let's learn English. Today, we are going to learn some words that are connected to HR, or human resources, like its functions in a company.
We will give some examples, so you will understand each human resources vocabulary.
Recruiting. It means employing someone for wages and to fill positions in a company. Recruiting. Here's an example.
I'm recruiting new people right now because 2 of our employees already filed their resignation letters.
What job positions are open now? I think I could recommend you someone.
Training. It means to equip new staff members with the skills and knowledge they need. Training. Here's an example.
Thank you for attending our monthly training. I hope that you learned new things.
Of course. You're the best trainer, sir.
Benefits. It is an advantage gained from working, such as health insurance or retirement plans. Benefits. Here's an example.
I just want to know the possible benefits I could gain in this company.
That's a great question. You will get some paid leaves and health insurance.
Retention. It means how long employees stay with the company. Retention. Here's an example. By the way, the retention rate of our employees went high this year.
That's good to hear. Let's keep it up.
Turnover. It refers to when employees leave the company and new employees must be hired. Turnover. Here's an example.
I'm glad that there's no turnover for the past 6 months.
A lot of newcomers became regular too.
Exit interview. It means an interview held with an employee that is about to leave, to discuss the employee's reasons for leaving and their experience of working for the organization. Exit interview. Here's an example.
I just want to remind you about your exit interview tomorrow.
Yes, thank you. I'll be there.
Leave of absence. It means when an employee has permission to be absent from work. Leave of absence. Here's an example.
You have to take a leave of absence, prioritize your health. I know, I was just too busy last week. Thanks, anyway.
Unions. It refers to an organized group of workers in a company that defends workers' rights. Unions. Here's an example.
Leave that concern to the HR. They can manage relations with unions.
All right, sir. I'll inform the HR department regarding this matter.
Disciplinary action. It is a method of dealing with employees who cause problems or do not follow company rules and policies. Disciplinary action. Here's an example.
They already did some disciplinary action on the incident yesterday.
That's good. I thought it will take a week before they do it.
Let's practice your English.
Ready your pen and paper, then try to answer the exercise.
Choose the correct answer.
I'm new people right now because 2 of our employees already filed their resignation letters.
Letter A. Recruiting.
Letter B. Turnover.
Letter C. Disciplinary action.
The correct answer is letter A. Recruiting. I'm recruiting new people right now because 2 of our employees already filed their resignation letters.
Thank you for attending our monthly. I hope that you learn new things.
Letter A. Turnover.
Letter B. Training.
Letter C. Unions.
The correct answer is letter B. Training. Thank you for attending our monthly training. I hope that you learned new things.
I just want to know the possible I could gain in this company.
Letter A. Recruiting.
Letter B. Leave of absence.
Letter C. Benefits. The correct answer is letter C. Benefits. I just want to know the possible benefits I could gain in this company. By the way, the rate of our employees went high this year.
Letter A. Retention.
Letter B. Training.
Letter C. Exit interview.
The correct answer is letter A. Retention. By the way, the retention rate of our employees went high this year.
I'm glad that there's no for the past 6 months.
Letter A. Benefits.
Letter B. Turnover.
Letter C. Disciplinary action.
The correct answer is letter B. Turnover. I'm glad that there's no turnover for the past 6 months.
I just want to remind you about your tomorrow.
Letter A. Retention.
Letter B. Recruit.
Letter C. Exit interview. The correct answer is letter C. Exit interview. I just want to remind you about your exit interview tomorrow. You have to take a prioritize your health.
Letter A. Leave of absence.
Letter B. Training.
Letter C. Turnover.
The correct answer is letter A. Leave of absence. You have to take a leave of absence, prioritize your health.
Leave that concern to the HR. They can manage relations with.
Letter A. Exit interview.
Letter B. Unions.
Letter C. Benefits.
The correct answer is letter B. Unions. Leave that concern to the HR. They can manage relations with unions.
They already did some on the incident yesterday.
Letter A. Training.
Letter B. Leave of absence.
Letter C. Disciplinary action. The correct answer is letter C. Disciplinary action. They already did some disciplinary action on the incident yesterday.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.